Big news for developers and data professionals. Microsoft is making a significant shift. The beloved features of Azure Data Studio are now being integrated directly into Visual Studio Code. Microsoft has announced a major change. Starting February 28, 2026, all support for Azure Data Studio will officially end. This marks the end for the lightweight, cross-platform tool many developers adopted. The end of support means no more feature enhancements, bug fixes, and critically, no new security patches after this date, making it essential for users to plan their transition. So where do developers go? Microsoft is consolidating its efforts and recommending a switch to Visual Studio Code, positioning it as the primary cross-platform tool for all database development. This move is part of a broader strategy to create a single, unified development environment. Instead of dividing resources, Microsoft is focusing all its innovation on the massive VS Code ecosystem, which leverages its incredible versatility far beyond just database work. But why is this a good move? It future-proofs your workflow. By focusing on a single tool, Microsoft can deliver more advanced features and a continuous stream of innovation into VS Code. You'll benefit from a larger community, superior Git integration, and a vast library of extensions. To ease the transition, most popular Azure Data Studio extensions, including the essential SSQL extension for SQL Server, are already available in the VS Code marketplace. You can install them in just a few clicks, replicating much of your existing environment. But here's an important distinction to understand. VS Code is for development tasks, writing queries, developing scripts, and managing database projects. It is not a complete replacement for Azure Data Studio. For high-level administrative tasks, Microsoft's guidance is clear. Use SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS. If your workflow depends on advanced performance tuning, high availability, or complex server security, SSMS remains the essential tool. The new paradigm is using the right tool for the job, VS Code for code, and SSMS for server administration. So, if you're on Azure Data Studio, it's time to plan your migration. Don't wait until the deadline looms. Begin by assessing the extensions you rely on. Then, install VS Code and necessary extensions like the MySQL package. Recreate your database connections and test your daily workflows to identify any gaps. This proactive approach will ensure a smooth transition. Embrace the change and move to the unified, powerful environment of VS Code well before the February 28, 2026 deadline to keep your development workflow secure and innovative. The world of data tools is constantly evolving, and staying updated is key to your success.